Introducing the 2006 Saab 9-3. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. All of the premium features expected of a Saab are offered, including leather upholstery, delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Saab ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.